All right, guys, I welcome every one of you to year 2020. This is me, Peter Onaboy. I'm reporting live from Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. See, as I did now, I'm happy, but again, I'm sad. Yes, if you look around me, you can actually see millions and millions of people trying to make their way back home. These people, you know what, they actually came for this building you are seeing behind me. And this building, as you all know, is the tallest building in the world. And see, this building here, it takes the mind of just one individual to think about all these things, you know. It's not like our useless control they come out from, where the only thing they know is just to steal money and steal money and steal money. And if you look around me here, you go see some of them and their kids. They wasted money to come and see this fireworks tonight, this morning. So this thing here, you know the help matter. This building one that they see this building was constructed with $1.5 billion. How much did they steal for Nigeria government every day? We will not figure even one of these for Nigeria. Yes. See, if you compute money where Desian stole $20 billion, if you put them together, you divide them by 1.5. How many Burj Khalifa will they Port Harcourt? The one where Oshomole steal for my state, you compute them, divide them. How many go there at those states? Now one person reasoned these things, so one person thought about these things and is favoring them. See how many billions and billions and billions of dollars this building they bring every day. 6 million people come see this building. Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? Tomorrow they'll say work not day. Economy not day. Grow go take grow, way sense not day to take do things. People where they think, now them be this. People where they think, now them be this. Some Nigeria governors, they're here. Their family they here, their brothers they here. Wait till they look this building. Wait, be safe. They say when they divide Nigeria money, we supposed to get this building 3 for each state. I bet my brother, this in the verse me, and ask me I tell now, but you know, go me I use vaccination to enter 2020. You now understand? So as it day now, we'll just live on like that. Nigeria government, I agree to now stupidity. Now 2020 we enter now. If na like man, I not think well. Another thing be say, when you reach religion something, we go just dey fool ourselves. They go now. All this is so already see. All this is now in Kanu see. We made them vex come say make Nigeria divide, or make Nigeria make them give us good government. Now they come begin to prosecute them. You know, look behind me. You go see light. This light this light where you see so not be toy. Not be toy. No. If Nigeria be like this now, if this light dey Nigeria like this as it is, so shey the country will catch fire. No, the country go burn now. It go burn. Mumu government. Common sense na no get. All this is where they see so. Now one person, one brain, na him think am. But yet we have plenty bunch of rubbish heads together. We are not fit think one thing. See, this 2020, that one where so already put us revolution or resolution. I don't know who na go arrest them. The how did they call am myself? The revolution where go come, where go come. Una not fit stand down. As una no one get sense so. Una no one get sense now. Look behind me. Look, you see this one are 6 million people pay transport, they pay hotel. Some of them pay, they eat, they make visa. They can't see this building. And some of our idiot government, they're here too. Somebody will call, they take picture now, they take selfie, they send them home. Say, see, I hear fine. I not fine. No, I not fine. Where the person, where be say the person will do this is so in life better thing. Mumu government. See, now all this one them so already they talk. Nnamdi Kanu they talk about division. So already they talk about revolution. They can't begin to chastise them. And the common stupid Nigerians who still there now where they fight for now. They consider join these useless government and they prosecute these people. Una no know say road and light and water na basic amenities where somebody not supposed to even take campaign for. Una see behind me. This one a light oh. This one not be cartoon, not be party light. Now light be this one. So light, constant light, steady light and road. Nothing they happen. But just imagine